Hi there! In this short tutorial, we will learn how to organize PDF pages. I mean changing the order of the pages. Let's change the page 2 with the page 3. If this tutorial is useful for you, like and subscribe us. So, go to browser and type change PDF pages and go to organize PDF, and here select your PDF. Now you can change the order. Drag the page and drop it anywhere you want. Now our order is 1, 3, 2. Organize it. It's ready, you can download. Here it is. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. You can find the PDF file here by clicking Show in Folder. We hope you like and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion, whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!